Hi, I'm Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle.
Feeling stuck or overwhelmed about changing your life?
In this video, White Eagle reveals 6 simple, actionable steps to transform your 2026, starting today.
Many people want to change their life, but they do not know where to start.
They feel confused.
They feel tired.
This is normal.
You are not alone.
The year 2026 is a new chance.
You do not need to change everything. You do not need to be perfect. Small steps are enough.
One small step every day can make a big difference.
We will talk about 6 simple ideas.
These ideas are useful. Let's start a better life in 2026. Part 1. Change your mindset.
Your mindset is how you think.
It is how you think about yourself.
It is how you think about your life. This is very important.
How you think decides how you live. If you think negative thoughts, your life feels hard. If you think positive thoughts, your life feels lighter. Even when problems come.
Changing your life starts with your mindset.
Many people have negative self-talk. They say bad things to themselves. These words are powerful. When you say them, you believe them. This thinking stops you.
It stops you from trying new things.
It stops you from getting better. To change your mindset, first, stop negative self-talk. When you hear a negative voice, stop.
Just notice it.
Then change the words.
Instead of I cannot, say I am learning.
This small change is important. I am learning means you can improve.
Mistakes are part of a good mindset. Many people fear mistakes. They think mistakes mean failure. But this is not true. A mistake is a sign. It means you are learning. Every skill, habit, success comes after mistakes. If you accept mistakes, you feel less afraid. You feel more confident. A positive mindset means you can handle problems. You can learn from them. Change takes time. Improve a little more than yesterday. This builds good habits. Think about the future. Many people only think about today. They choose what is easy now, not what is good for tomorrow. Real change comes from small actions. Actions that help your future. When you think about the future, your choices become clearer.
In 2026, build a mindset that helps you grow.
Believe you can change.
Believe you can improve.
Your life moves to a better place. Part 2. Build better daily habits.
Big life changes do not come from one big action.
They come from small habits. Habits you do every day. Your daily habits shape your life slowly. If you change your habits, you change your life. In a natural way. Morning habits are important. They set the mood for your day. Waking up a little earlier helps you feel calm. You feel in control. 10 or 15 minutes can make a difference. Do not check your phone first. Your mind gets busy too fast. Instead, do something simple. Stretch your body. Drink water.
Or take a deep breath.
These actions help your body wake up. They help your mind feel clear. A good morning habit gives you energy. Evening habits are also important. How you end your day affects your sleep. Go to bed at a regular time. This helps your body rest better.
Before sleeping, calm your mind.
Turn off bright lights. Stop using your phone for a while.
Think about your day.
Ask, what was good today? And what can I do better tomorrow? This helps you learn.
It helps you feel peaceful before sleep.
Many people make big plans, but they do not follow them.
One good habit is better than many unused plans.
Choose one habit. Focus on it. Consistency is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Even when you are tired, a small habit still matters. Read for 10 minutes. Walk for 15 minutes. Or plan tomorrow in 5 minutes.
These small habits change your future.
In a strong, good way.
Part 3. Learn one useful skill in 2026.
You do not need to learn many things. Learning too many skills makes you tired. It makes you confused. One useful skill is enough. Enough to start changing your life.
When you focus on one skill, you learn better.
You feel more confident.
A skill changes your life in many ways.
First, a skill gives you confidence.
You believe in yourself more.
Second, a skill helps you get better work or more money. It brings new chances.
Skills are more important than luck.
Skills stay with you. Many useful skills exist. Digital skills are important today. Learn basic computer skills or how to use online tools. Communication skills are useful in daily life and at work. Speak cleanly. Listen well. This improves relationships. Problem-solving skills help you handle hard situations. Time management skills help you use your time better. Choose the right skill. You need a useful one, not a perfect one.
Choose something that helps you.
In your daily life or work, do not choose 5 skills. Choose one skill. Focus on it.
Ask, can this skill help me now? Or can this skill help me in the future?
Learning a skill is not hard. Learn step by step. Learn a little every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes. Use free things like videos, articles.
Practice is more important.
When you practice, you learn.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you. You learn how to improve.
This helps you grow faster.
You feel less stress. One small skill can open a new door. In 2026, choose one useful skill. Start today.
Part 4. Take care of your body and mind. Your health is very important.
It is the base of every change.
If you feel tired, it is hard to build habits.
It is hard to learn skills. Taking care of yourself is a smart choice.
It is a kind choice.
Sleep is very important. If you do not sleep well, your body feels weak. Your mind feels slow. You may feel angry, sad, or stressed. Good sleep helps your brain. It helps your body recover. Sleep at the same time every day. Small changes in sleep make a big difference. Food is also important for your body. Simple food choices are enough. Eat regular meals. Drink enough water. When you eat better, you have more energy. This helps you focus.
It helps you feel balanced.
Exercise does not have to be hard. Light exercise is enough. Walk, stretch, or move gently. 10 or 15 minutes a day can improve your mood. Exercise reduces stress. It gives you more energy. Just keep moving simply. Mental health is as important as physical health. Many people feel stressed, but they do not talk about it. They think resting is lazy. This is not true. Rest is a need, not a weakness. When you rest, your mind calms down. It recovers. Take care of your mind simply. Take short breaks. Breathe deeply. Enjoy quiet moments. Stop comparing yourself to others. Be kind to yourself. In 2026, listen to your body and mind. Take small steps for your health. When your body is strong and your mind is calm, changing your life becomes easier. Part 5. Change your environment. Your environment is everything around you. Your room, your phone, the people you meet, the content you watch. Many people try to change their life, but they forget their environment. This is a mistake. Your environment has a strong effect. An effect on how you act. A clean space creates a clear mind. If your room is messy, your mind feels messy. You may feel tired or lose focus. Just a clean and simple space is enough. Clean a small area first. Your desk or your bed. Small changes bring calm and clarity. Your phone is part of your environment. Social media can be useful, but too much steals time. It steals energy. Many hours on social media make your mind busy and tired. Reduce social media time. Turn off notifications. Set a time limit. This helps you focus. Focus on what matters. The people you listen to shape your thinking. If you are around negative people, you may think negative thoughts. If you listen to positive people, you feel motivated. Choose who you listen to carefully. In life and online, the words you hear become your thoughts. The content you watch is part of your environment. News, videos, posts. They affect your mood.
Too much negative content makes you worried.
Or stressed.
Choose content that teaches you.
Or makes you feel calm.
It is okay to step back.
Your environment pushes you forward.
Or pulls you back.
If your environment helps your goals, change is easier. Change one small part of your environment in 2026. Build an environment that helps you grow.
Part 6. Take action and stay consistent.
Many people have good ideas
And strong dreams.
but they do not take action.
Without action, nothing changes.
Thinking and planning are important, but action moves your life forward.
If you want 2026 to be different, start doing something.
Even if it is very small.
Starting small is the best way.
You do not need big goals or big plans.
Small actions are easier to start.
And easier to keep. Start with 5 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of practice.
Or one simple habit. Starting today is more important than starting perfectly.
Many people wait for the perfect time. They wait until ready.
Confident.
Or free. But the perfect time does not exist. There will always be problems.
Stress.
Or fear. If you wait too long, you may never start.
The best time to act is now.
With what you have.
Staying consistent is more important than perfect work.
You do not need to do your best every day.
Some days will be easy.
Some days will be hard. What matters is that you do not stop.
A small action on a hard day is better than nothing.
Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to see you are moving forward. Write down what you do.
Or check a list. When you see your progress, you feel confident.
You feel proud. Remember, change takes time. Be patient. Do not compare your journey.
In 2026, your life can be different.
Decide now. Take action. Stay consistent.
Trust the process. Small steps today lead to big changes tomorrow.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Ready to make 2026 your breakthrough year?
Hit subscribe on White Eagle and share your biggest takeaway in the comments below.